have constant, predictable supply of food, both for human beings and for our livestock, as we seek to create a country that is sustainable and that is food secure.
Muwaziri w'obonchoreria Moses Kuria niga kwanire umubaro bw'abantu ali barikire ase factory yokorosianga oyo atebire buna nigo oromoke kegima korengana nere nigo begete mirobero yokoenekia buna abantu abange babeire bakonyora ali bagari emirimo ase factory eyo nenchira yemo yo korobya emirimo nabago kubakonya kwegenderera bya asama gimabo.
For the players in that sector, we have only 50,000 people employed by the textile industry. It is our intention to actually equal, if not be better than Bangladesh, and we will do that and grow the jobs to, if not 5 million, 6 million. That is my challenge to the textile industry. And it is doable. We are going to do it. We can do it. In my opinion, these things have been neglected for a long time. Because that is bad news and good news. It's bad news because we have lost the opportunity. It's good news